The Gold Adventure Kit is hand-assembled in the USA, so it has greater durability and it is far more convenient than other kits.
I wonder what kind of family activity we can do together. What about gold panning?
The kit is easy to order. Just go to goldadventurekit.com and click on the Buy Now tab. Click on the kit you want, add it to your cart, and check out. The kit itself comes completely contained in one bucket, making it easy to store, travel with, and use. All competing kits force you to independently carry more parts or are difficult to assemble. The kit's gravel clarifiers are made out of durable aluminum, so they will last far longer than kits manufactured overseas that use plastic clarifiers. The Gold Adventure Kit offers 2 clarifiers that stack one on top of the other in the bucket, meaning that you can screen more material faster.
Hey kids, this is how you use the gold panning kit right here.
Mom, Dad, come here, you have to see this.
Good job, honey. Gold panning is a great family activity.
To order your Gold Adventure Kit, just go to goldadventurekit.com.